Welcome back to Brooke and Jake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake.
Today, as you can probably tell, we're going to be building our mailbox.
Well, sort of. We're going to build a stand.
Alright, so for today's build, we went ahead and grabbed the mail housing unit.
The male housing unit.
Mailboxes are sexist. This could be a female box. You don't know. Pretty much, we looked around. We didn't find anything that we liked, did we? I think what we're going to try is like a four-sided box and just kind of set it
over our existing pole that's already in the ground.
Yes. And then we'll put some sort of bracket system on it to hold this up. And is there anything fun or fancy that you want to do?
I think we're going to add some resin to it.
Oh.
With a cool earth-shattering effect. That
I
looks like
it.
it's spewing out blue
do
lava.
Blue lava? I was going to say, can we do green or orange?
Nah, blue.
You want blue? Okay. I'm weirdly struggling this time. I just realized that.
Let's start this build.
We just wrapped up the routing, which we used a 1/8" bit for, and we made these nice little earth shatter patterns that we're really excited to fill with resin. And to do that, we're going to use these syringes that we picked up from one of our old projects, and what we're hoping is that it'll reduce the amount of overflow or spillage that we have, so we have less to clean up at the end. What color are we going to use?
We are going to use blue, like almost always.
Yeah.
And we are also going to add some glow in the dark powder to it. So hopefully you can see our mailbox when it's nighttime.
Yeah, it'll be a nice little indicator of where to turn in.
Yeah. Now that all the resin is in and we got it sanded all the way up to 400 grit, which took about 3 hours, we are going
I did none of that.
We are going to cut our angles and get this formed into a box, and we'll also add a little top
box?
hat. We'll get this formed into a box and also add a little top hat.
There we go. Alright, so we are now trying to do the top hat, and what we're thinking is we want it to kind of have that double ridge feature where it looks like it's a double step up, but we're working with a 7 1/4" board, and we're going to use the table saw at about half depth so that we can just kind of make our own little 2-step platform without having to glue 2 pieces together. So let's see if it works. All right, and so there you have it. Based on just eyeballing it, we have 4 pretty even sides with a nice little top hat. Hey Brooke, you've got mail. So while we wait for the glue to dry up and finish, we can't really do too much other than we found out that to connect a mailbox, it has a recess in here, which we previously did not know because we've never taken a mailbox apart. So what we're gonna do is use our cedar here and seal it at the end, but we will cut it to size, which is about 6 inches by 21, so that we have something to connect the fancy dancy little arm that Brooke got us to hold the whole thing up.
Oh yeah.
So it's been like 3-4 days or so. We got our 3 coats of Spar Urethane on. It's dried, it's not sticky to touch, it's smooth and shiny.
Very shiny.
Yeah, exactly. It's shinier than what I had thought it would be.
Yeah.
So hopefully that's a really good thing, and it means water just runs right off of it. But if not, it's cedar, it should be good. So we're gonna do 2 things. One's gonna be off camera,
Yes.
done by the beautiful Brooke.
With the paint marker that you guys won't see at all, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, we can't give our house number away. But basically we're gonna be testing how to write numbers.
What kind of numbers we want to write?
So what we're gonna do is, as we showed you earlier, this piece is going to get connected to the bottom of the mailbox. So before we cover that up, we're gonna test out how this marker actually works.
Yep.
So that's what she's gonna be doing off camera, and then we'll connect this. And what you guys get to watch while she does that is me connecting the hat to the top of this. All right, so I would say we are pretty happy with this mailbox. We'll give you an update on if it glows or not, and
if it withstands the wane and the storms and the
wane. If it withstands the wane and the weather, then we'll let you know how it does. So we'll keep you posted on our Instagram, and
Thanks for watching.
Just remember to do something that makes yourself happy every single day.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Bye.